What's up, crew? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. Happy New Year. It is 2019 and it's going to be the best year yet. So today we are talking about the top brands that you should be paying attention to this year. Let's get started. Alright, so 2019 is officially here. 2018 is in the books and we have just started a brand new year, which means that a lot of companies and a lot of brands are about to roll out their latest and greatest for the new year. So like I said, today we are going to be talking about the top brands that you should be paying attention to in 2019 so you can get the best products, the best deals, and the best stuff on the market. So the first brand that you should be paying attention to in 2019 is today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. So Rose Gold and Black absolutely killed it in 2018 with their latest line of bracelets, the Black Collection. I have these bracelets. They're all elastic. They don't have the drawstrings, so they're a little bit more easy to wear. Not only that, the design is absolutely flawless. You get two different types of stone, adds a lot of contrast to your outfit, adds a lot of contrast to your accessories, and they are some of my favorite pieces. But Rose Gold and Black is taking it to an entire new level for 2019, and they are rolling out a watch collection. I cannot even begin to express how excited I am to get my hands on one of those watches. They look absolutely sick, and I can't wait. I literally just cannot wait. I'm so stoked about the watches, and you should be too, because if you have not seen them, they look awesome. They look so clean, so elegant, and I am just beyond stoked to get my hands on one. I have to get one soon. Like, it's just a matter of time before you see one on my wrist every single day. So if you guys want to check out Rose Gold and Black and see the watch collection that I'm talking about, as well as all the other jewelry pieces that they offer, click on the link in the description. It will take you to the Rose Gold and Black landing page where everything on that page is already discounted for you. You don't have to enter any type of discount codes, nothing like that. It is already done. And if you want to see more pictures of the watches or the bracelets, you can check out Rose Gold and Black's Instagram page. Go give them a follow, go check them out, and don't forget to let them know that your boy sent you over. The second brand that you should be paying attention to in 2019 is Minimal. They rolled out a lot of really cool pieces and a lot of really unique stuff. But I think 2019 is gonna get a little bit better. Like literally guys, half of my entire closet consists of Minimal's clothing because it is some of my favorite pieces to wear. Quality is unreal, price is unbeatable, and the fit is astronomical. Like, it's absolutely unbelievable. I cannot wait to see what they have rolling out in 2019, especially with all the latest stuff in men's fashion and men's streetwear. I think that 2019 is going to be a really interesting year to see what they come out with. The third brand that you should be paying attention to in 2019 is Nike. Nike has been rolling out some absolute heat towards the end of 2018. I mean, you got the Air Fear of God collection. They released countless awesome versions of the Jordan 1 and many other of the Jordans. They're hopping on the dad shoe train. Like, Nike absolutely made a huge comeback in 2018. You know what Drake said? Drake said checks over stripes. So I think that with 2019 in its very beginning, early stages, I think that we're gonna see a lot more Nike and a lot less Adidas this year. So Nike is definitely a brand that you want to be paying attention to. The fourth brand that you should be paying attention to in 2019 is a YouTuber merch clothing line, and that is the Richie Lee collection. Now, Richie Lee is an extremely popular YouTuber. He does hype talk videos where he talks about all kinds of different upcoming sneaker releases, clothing releases, anything that's hype related in the sneaker culture. He and his crew are on it, and his videos are absolutely unreal. Definitely look up to him for inspiration a lot. But he also has his own clothing line that relates to that sort of streetwear look, and it is called the Richie Lee collection. Now, previously, the Richie Lee collection has only released small batch items, only a few pieces here and there, but the next release is supposed to be the biggest and the best one yet. He has a video up on his YouTube right now. I'll link it below if you guys wanted to check it out. but these pieces look absolutely unreal. Like, I have got to get my hands on them, and I'm sure as soon as you see this video, you're gonna want to too. So kind of regretting telling you this because they're probably gonna be sold out like that. But I think Richard Lee has a really awesome look. I think his clothing is amazing. The quality is unreal. And I think the fit and the aesthetic cuts of it are absolutely perfect. So they are definitely someone to pay attention to in 2019. And the fifth and final brand that you should be paying attention to in 2019 is Converse. Now I know Converse is owned by Nike, but since they weren't owned by Nike and since they're an entirely different look than Nike, we're gonna consider them a separate brand for the sake of this video. So with the recent release of the Fear of God Converse Essentials sneaker, I think that the hype for Converse has really gone up a good bit. Now, granted, the Fear of God Converse wasn't that hype of a sneaker release. It did put the Converse back on the map. Mainly because the Fog Converse is simple, it's clean, it has a unique color palette, which makes it very, very wearable. Another thing that has made Converse extremely wearable recently is the fact that they've come out with their Lunar Lawn insoles. Now, Converse used to be very uncomfortable, very flat, very hard, not comfortable to wear all day long. But now they've come out with this new insole. It's actually kind of soft and it honestly reminds me of wearing a running sneaker. So they're a lot more comfortable, a lot more easy to wear all day long. And since Converse are so simple and versatile, they can really work with a multitude of different styles and looks. You can pretty much dress these up, dress these down. You can wear them with literally everything. So I'm excited to see what happens in 2019 with Converse, whether they collaborate with other brands like Fear of God or CDG, if they do something else with them, or even someone entirely new. I would love to see that. And if not, just some new color palettes, maybe a new design, something. But I definitely think the Converse is a brand that you want to keep your eye on in 2019. All right, guys, and that wraps it up for today's video. If you like this content, hit that subscribe button down below. Join the crew family if you are not already. We would love to have you as a part of the crew. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. Drop your comments in the comment section down below, and I will see you next Friday. Me and Milo are out.